So John, you came to see us for Softwave treatment, and so tell us a little bit about how life was before you came in specifically for your knee, and tell me what problem did you have with your knee before you came in?
Yeah, so my knee was in a condition to where I couldn't work out the way I was used to. Anytime that I would sit and have my knee at anything other than a straight angle, when I got up to walk afterwards, I would limp for the first couple feet, almost like a rusty hinge, extremely painful. So had tried numerous things and was not getting any relief. So a friend of mine had seen on Facebook your episode about Softwave and suggested I reach out and give it a shot. What have I got to lose? And I was skeptical at first. I've been through everything. I don't think this is gonna work. And I just completed my last session today, and I am completely pain free. I am just amazed at how well I feel. It's a Wednesday, and I've got 8.5, 9.5 miles in this week so far. I just did a leg day Monday, and I have no restrictions. I can do everything I want. It's been a process, obviously, but I stuck with it, and it has been fantastic. I'm extremely impressed with the progress that occurred throughout the process, and just can't say enough about it. I don't understand the technology behind it, but it works. That's all I can say.
John, if somebody was on the fence right now thinking about doing this kind of therapy, what would you say to them?
I would say you got to do it. Not knowing what you're dealing with, just knowing what I was dealing with, I was, kind of without hope, if you will. Was extremely disappointed in what was going on with my knee at a point where I had tried everything else and was kind of giving up hope. And so this did it. Like I said again, I don't understand all the technology, but it works. It's amazing. I feel great. I would do it time and time again if needed be with other issues. So absolutely, you got to give it a shot because you're only hurting yourself by not doing it.
Awesome. Thank you.